All right, we'll now be doing an attempt to repair / repairability test. We'll be unsealing this shingle, the ones above it, removing the nails, and putting the nails back to simulate a repair. And I'll be using a roof stake. So go ahead and start unsealing the shingle. You can see how old the shingle is and how this granule is not holding the chalk when you start unsealing it. Alright, so we got it unsealed without any ripping. We did have a few spots where we unsealed it and it knocked granule off. So let me see. I'm gonna check for mat transfer. Let's see. As you can see, we're having some mat transfer.
Top and bottom.
Let's see. Alright, so now we'll go ahead and start working on getting those nails out. Alright, we just already had our first nail where this is busted over the top. I'm having to take the nail out from underneath the shingle. So now you have a nail hole that is larger than the nail head right here, and it's torn the shingle on the side. So we'll keep getting some nails out, but that has just caused damage.
Did the same thing.
This one's already busted through without us even working on it. And this nail is rusty and oxidized. Let's see. Up here. And that one's done it as well.
Same thing. Yep.
These shingles are so old and brittle, they're coming up before the nails are. This one's already busted through before we touch it. So now again, we've taken 5 nails out. You have 5 nail holes that are larger than the nail head. So that's gonna cause a leaking hazard for any work that needs to be done on this roof. This one, even being as gentle as we could, done it as well.
Yep.
It's busted through.
Identical.
Let's see, we should have one more nail to get out. And this one's, I mean, I haven't touched anything and it's already busted through as well on this one. All right. If you can see on all these places, you can see.
You got mat transfer, yep.
It's busted through right here, and all these, the nail hole right here is bigger than this head. So that's gonna be a leaking hazard. So we'll go ahead and put the shingle back in, test the nails, and see if the shingle can hold up. See. barely holding this in now at this point. All right, so we got the shingle back in. We'll conclude the report. We didn't have any tear unsealing, but it did knock a lot of granule off. We do have a slight crease up there. And then all these different ones, you have 7 out of the 8 have busted through. So to make this one repair to this one shingle, you are damaging all these other shingles around it, causing leaking hazards. It's knocking the granule off, which helps the water roll off, and then it's also causing a nail hole larger than the nail head, which if water were to get onto the shingle, that's going to cause a leaking hazard. So this attempt to repair has failed. You cannot cause damage to fix damage.